Hey, it's QuirkyCubes, and this is the DoDot puzzle. I designed this puzzle with a couple of goals in mind. First, I wanted to achieve smooth turning in a complex mechanism purely using parts made on my home 3D printers. I also had reasons for wanting a puzzle similar to a Bauhinia Dodecahedron, but with less visible pieces. Mechanically, this puzzle is the same as the Bauhinia, but with the addition of an aesthetic layer that obscures most of the internal pieces while revealing the pentagonal centers through circular cutouts. The circular holes were inspired by David Pitcher's Octadot puzzle, which is a design that has always been one of my favorites of his. Since most of the mechanism is hidden under the outer layer, coming up with a viable assembly method was challenging. I ended up separating the edge pieces into two parts that screw together, and then covering the screw holes with stickers. This puzzle is pretty different than anything I've ever designed previously. The main motivation for creating it is actually to kick off a series of related puzzles, which will have more intricate mechanisms and some solving characteristics that should be extremely unique and challenging. I'll reveal the rest of the series eventually, but for now the stickering scheme on this puzzle is actually sort of a hint as to what those puzzles might be like.